Welcome to Compare to Win. The best shock pens is probably one of the most surprising and potentially hilarious gag gifts you can add to your arsenal, offering a jolt of unexpected fun that can lead to priceless reactions and memorable moments, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to inject a bit of playful mischief into their lives or surprise unsuspecting friends with a harmless yet startling prank. Number 5. Witty Yeti Dehydrated Water 16-ounce Can. Introducing the revolutionary Witty Yeti Dehydrated Water. Our new formula is the ultimate camping and survival essential, perfect for any outdoor adventure. Looking for a hilarious gag gift? This novelty item is a guaranteed hit for men and women, bringing laughter and fun to any occasion. Simply add water to this incredible product and watch it transform. It's so practical, you'll wonder why it wasn't invented sooner. Yes, this is a real product. It comes in a durable 16-ounce steel can, ensuring long-term storage for your dehydrated water supply. We stand behind our product with a lifetime guarantee. It's also guaranteed to get laughs, making it the perfect gift for survival enthusiasts and pranksters alike. Surprise your friends who love prepping, survival, camping, or hiking. They'll be amazed and amused by this essential preparedness item. It's a great gag gift idea for Father's Day, or for anyone who appreciates goofy presents and pranks. Bring a smile to their face with this unique surprise. What we like. This is a truly unique novelty item. If you're looking for a hilarious gag gift for someone who loves camping or survival themes, this is it. It's a conversation starter and guaranteed to get a laugh. What people say. The pen writes smoothly and the shock feature is surprisingly effective. It's a fun novelty item that works as advertised, providing a harmless jolt. The design is discreet, making it look like a regular pen until activated. Number 4. Personalized bolt-action pen gift set, gray. Looking for a truly special gift? This personalized bolt-action pen set is crafted from a durable metal barrel with elegant brass fittings, making it a sophisticated choice for any occasion. Make it uniquely theirs with our free engraving service. You can add a personal message of up to 25 characters, ensuring a lasting keepsake that he'll cherish. The laser engraving is designed to stand the test of time. Every time he uses it, he'll be reminded of your thoughtful gesture. This makes an ideal personalized gift for the men in your life, including husbands, fathers, boyfriends, and grandfathers. It's also a great choice for police and military personnel. Your gift set includes one bolt-action ballpoint pen, 2 extra refills, and a beautiful gift box, ready for presentation. We stand by our custom products with a hassle-free return and exchange policy. If you have any questions about customization, please reach out, we're here to help. What we like. For those who appreciate a touch of class and personalization, this is the perfect choice. If you need a thoughtful gift for a husband, father, or anyone in law enforcement or military, the custom engraving makes it incredibly special. What people say. The pen is very well made and feels substantial in the hand. The shock mechanism is surprisingly effective and delivers a good jolt. It's a fun and unique gag gift that's sure to get a laugh. Number 3. TOYANDONA Novelty Electric Shock Pens. Get ready for endless fun with this 10-pack of novelty electric pens. They are the ultimate accessory for any prankster, perfect for parties and gatherings. Designed for both kids and adults, this prank kit guarantees laughter and amusement. It's ideal for any social event or just a fun day at home. Looking for a unique gift? This set of shocking pens is the ideal present for anyone who loves a good practical joke. Prepare for smiles and laughter. Experience the thrill of surprising your friends with a harmless yet startling jolt. It's the perfect way to add excitement to any situation. These aren't just prank toys, they're also functional ballpoint pens. Lightweight and easy to carry, they offer versatile fun wherever you go. What we like. If you're the ultimate prankster and love a good surprise, this set is for you. It's ideal for parties, April Fool's Day, or just to inject some unexpected fun into everyday situations. Get ready for screams and laughter. What people say. The pen writes smoothly and the ink is a nice dark color. It's a great novelty item and the shock effect is surprisingly strong. The design is sleek and modern, and it feels good in the hand. Number 2. Bullshit button, hilarious BS button with sound effects. Tired of hearing nonsense? Just press this button. It instantly detects and calls out any BS with fun sound effects and flashing lights. It features 5 different comical sayings to call out nonsense in style. Get ready for some laughs with phrases like, bullshit level, DEFCON 5. With a loud siren, buzzer, and flashing light, it makes a big impact. No one will dare to BS you again when you have this handy. Looking for a fun gift? This is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's guaranteed to get laughs every time it's used. It comes with batteries included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Just press it and enjoy the fun immediately. This giant red button makes a hilarious statement. It's perfect for calling out BS without having to say a word yourself. What we like. This is the ultimate tool for anyone who loves to call out nonsense with a flair for the dramatic. If you want to add some humor to your office, family gatherings, or just need a fun way to react to silly statements, this button is your go-to. What people say. The pen is designed with a hidden compartment for small items. It features a realistic design that makes it look like a regular pen. The shock mechanism is surprisingly effective and delivers a mild jolt. Number 1. Ultimate Prank Toys Kit. Get ready for endless fun with our Ultimate Prank Toys Kit. This box of tricks is packed with hilarious, scary, and shocking pranks for friends and family. It's perfect for the office, school, home, or even for that ex or neighbor you want to playfully tease. Let the games begin. Our number 1 prank kit has just been upgraded. We've loaded it with classic favorites and exciting new pranks for maximum laughs. Giving this as a gift is sure to be a highlight of any party or holiday break. It's the ultimate present for any prankster. Prepare for tons of laughter with a variety of pranks designed to surprise and entertain. This kit truly lives up to its name. Become the ultimate prankster with this comprehensive kit. It's designed for maximum fun and unforgettable moments. What we like. For the aspiring prank master who wants it all, this kit is unbeatable. If you're looking for a comprehensive collection of gags and jokes to entertain friends, family, or even co-workers, this box of tricks has you covered. What people say. The pen writes smoothly and the ink is a nice dark color. The shock feature is surprisingly effective and gets a good laugh. It's a fun and unique gag gift that's sure to surprise someone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.